Someone asked me, Mark, I put a paver walk partially on common grounds 5 years ago for my handicapped wife to walk on. Some people in my community are now saying I need to move it. Is it too late for them to make this claim legally? There are many violations in our community that are never enforced. What do we do here? Well, your issue raises a couple questions. First, how long does a community association have to enforce a rules violation? And what is the association's ability to take legal action against you when it neglects to take action against other violations? Second, does your wife have the right to continue using the walkway under fair housing laws due to a handicap? We also see the same laws come into play with emotional support animals and other such requests. As to your first question, we generally advise community associations to take relatively prompt and consistent action when it comes to rules enforcement. If the violation is open and obvious and known to all board members, and the association fails to take action for a year or more, it will become increasingly difficult for the association to prevail in any litigation. Certainly, if an open violation continues for 5 years or more without action by the board, you have a relatively strong chance of prevailing in court against the association. Regarding the handicap issue, we are seeing more and more claims against community associations for exemptions to the rules due to a disability or handicap. As mentioned before, the most common involves service or emotional support animals. We've handled all kinds of claims. The general rule is that your wife would be entitled to a reasonable accommodation from the association that would allow her to equally enjoy and use her property the same as other owners. Assuming the lengthy delay that we spoke previously about was not an issue, the association may require you to consider alternatives such as building a walkway in a less intrusive area. But generally, an association cannot flat out deny such a request if it's necessary due to a disability.